People always say, good things come to those who wait. Well, maybe you've waited long enough. Remember your first love, your first car, your first home. Remember when your children were born? Those height lines on the wall go up so high now. Those saplings your kids brought home from school now provide so much shade. Your family grew up here. Your best friends are still a few doors away. This neighborhood provides a feeling of comfort, a feeling of home. All the stress you took on so many years ago, that big mortgage you signed for on your forever home. You thought to yourself, someday we will fix up this house. Well, someday has arrived. You've seen the latest new houses, but this one is your house. Imagine the possibilities. Imagine that new house feeling in your current home. Did you ever think you could live like this? You deserve this. The wait is over. Let's renovate your house into your dream home. Ultimate Homes and Renovations. Alberta's most awarded renovator. Serving Albertans since 1979.